We begin with cold and homeless. What's being done to help people on the streets as frigid temperatures hit the Houston area? Hello, welcome to Tuesday. I'm Len Cannon. I know you felt it. This morning was the coldest of the year in Houston, and another cold front is on the way. It has those who help the homeless scrambling to help them find shelter. But as David Gonzalez reports, the pandemic is making their job more difficult.
Homelessness is a public health crisis. That's according to organizations dedicated to helping people experiencing homelessness in Harris, Fort Bend, and Montgomery counties.
Our 2020 count, which we conducted back in January, found about 4,000 people experiencing homelessness in the three-county area.
Any given year, the Coalition for the Homeless, along with The Way Home, a collaboration of more than 100 partners, work to end homelessness and prepare for the winter.
Our shelters partners would expand their capacity and adapt their programs and spaces to accommodate people experiencing unsheltered homelessness who are looking to come inside for the cold weathers.
Because of the pandemic, that won't work this year.
Well, we're not able to bring extra people in because we have to be mindful of social distancing. So it really does make things more complicated this year.
They've opened auxiliary shelters since space is limited. Emergency warming centers aren't activated until there's a hard freeze of temperatures under 25 degrees or more than 2 consecutive days at 32 degrees or below.
If somebody chooses not to seek shelter or there just aren't spots available because of the social distancing with COVID, our outreach teams are out there doing what they can, handing out blankets.
Long term, the Community COVID Houston program aims to provide permanent housing to the homeless. The $65 million program plans to help 5,000 people in the next 2 years as a response to coronavirus.
Because of course, you can't stay home and stay safe if you don't have a home.
David Gonzalez, KHOU 11 News.